Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video from Physiology, and in this video we will be moving forward with the next part, that is your physiology, right? So we'll be studying the Hemichordata physiology. In the previous video we had covered the general characteristics, right? I had told you why Hemichordata lead to the foundation of Hemichordata, how come it is separated from chordates, and what are the characteristic features, the general characteristics, where the body is divided into three parts, right? All the things we had covered. Now we are moving on with the physiological part. Okay, so let's get started with our digestion. Here is complete. That means it had tube within tube body plan. The tube within tube means digestion will be complete. It has both mouth and anus, right? Then extracellular digestion, right? That means cellular digestion is not the process of digestion is not taking place inside the cell. It is taking place outside the cell, extracellular. Fine. Respiration takes place with the help of gills. Gills are the structure which are present that are helping them in respiration. Then circulation is open type. Fine. Then excretion, they have proboscis. Fine. They have proboscis. Their body is divided into basically three parts. I told you yesterday. Proboscis, the trunk, and the collar. Right. The collar being the medium one, and the upper one is the proboscis, and the last one is your trunk. Fine. So the nervous system, it has two nerve cords, one in the ventral region and one in the dorsal region. Very simple. Reproduction is unisexual. That means अलग-अलग sex organs present होते हैं. Male अलग होता है, female अलग होता है. Therefore, sexual reproduction will take place. Then fertilization is external. That means outside the body, and development is indirect. Fine. Now example I will let you know. So there are two examples mainly in this video. One is the saccoglossus. I'm writing it here. Example number one is saccoglossus. Okay, the saccoglossus, and other one is balanoglossus. Balanoglossus. Okay, saccoglossus and balanoglossus. Okay, so these are also commonly known as the tongue worms. These are also commonly known as the tongue worms. Fine. So this is it. Very easy, isn't it? So this was very simple. Hemichordata is very easy, very simple, very short and precise. Why is it being short? हमें easy क्यों लग रहा है? Because the sequence remains the same. It is not so much detailing. Simple thing was, how come it is separated from chordates? What is so different in hemichordates and chordates? They have stomochord instead of a notochord. And stomochord is ectodermal inner region, notochord is mesodermal inner region. That's it, right? So beta, any doubt, any problem, you can put it down in the comment section below, right? Any issues, you can definitely put it down in the comment section. I will definitely reply to it. Fine. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, beta. And moreover, if you have any feedback, you can also put that in the comment section. I will be happy to take any feedback, right? So I hope it is clear, everything is clear now. The last video will be of the chordates. I will see you guys in that video. Till then, stay tuned, beta, and take care.